Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Baby Color's Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch today's video. I so much appreciate you all for all your love and your support. So my people, today's recipe is for those that want to cut down some calories. Okay, so if you want to cut down some calories, this recipe is for you. And this recipe is a substitute for your bread filling and for your creamy salad dressing. Okay, if you want to see how I achieve this, please stay tuned. Let's move right into today's video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. God bless you. Okay guys, so for this recipe we need avocado. Okay, we need olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We need salt to taste. You can use dry pepper or fresh, anyone. So over here I'm using fresh pepper. We need 2 eggs. Okay, so let's get started. So in a bowl, the first thing we do is to crush the egg. You can even blend it. You can go ahead and blend it if you want to. Just mix everything together and blend it, so that makes it easy. But today's procedure is those that doesn't have blender, the easy way you can actually achieve this. Okay, so this is okay. So now I'm crushing the second one. You just do everything bit by bit. Okay guys, so once I'm done, the next thing I'm gonna do is to open the avocado. Okay, you can use spoon or you can still use the same fork. Just scoop this avocado out. So I'll go ahead and mash it. Mash, 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 mash. So I'm going to repeat the same with this. So I'll go ahead and mash this. So if you go ahead and blend this, you will get it in a smooth paste. Okay, but because we are not blending, we are literally doing everything manually here. Okay, so you would not expect it to be that smooth. Okay, so yeah, but this is how to do it. You can see we are getting the creamy form here. You mix everything to marry each other. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pepper scotch bonnet pepper. That is only if you want it to be spicy. If you don't want it spicy, pepper is optional. Okay, so this is to bring out the taste. Look at that color, look at that color, you guys. I'm just loving this color. Did you see that? This pepper has actually taken this to another level. So I will now go ahead and add just a teaspoon olive oil. Okay, and a pinch of salt, to taste. Then mix. So guys, this is it. This is the finished product, the end product of our sandwich filling and our salad filling. You can actually use this for your salad dressing, creamy salad dressing. Okay, so this is our